Hi friends. So yesterday we learned the new sound of ow, and we talked about how OU can say ow and OW can say ow. Yesterday we learned our OW word family. So today we're going to learn an OU word family. We're going to learn the word family ound. That's a lot of letters all together, isn't it? So OU says ow, and then remember when we have two consonants that are different, we have to pronounce both of those. So it says ow, Let's say it together. Ow, Now all together, ound. Good job. So remember to make sure that you pronounce that N and that D. Ound. So let's go through the words together and we'll do a sentence with each one. Sound. I love the sound of birds singing. Sound. How about this one? Hound. My dad used to have hound dogs that he used for hunting. Hound. Wound. They wound their watch so it would keep time. Wound. That used to happen a long time ago. Bound. They are bound for vacation. Bound. Pound. I bought a pound of chicken for dinner tonight. Pound. Mound. They walked up the small mound to see the field. Mound. Found. I found a bird nest in the tree yesterday. Found. Round. A circle is round. Round. Ground. We have a lot of ground that needs tilling. Ground. So, lots of letters, lots of words. Let's try it again. You do it, and I'll speak it with you. Sound. Hound. Come on, you can do it. Wound. Good. Found. Pound. Mound. Found. Round. Ground. Yeah, that GR blend right there. Ound. Ground. You're doing so well. You're learning lots of great words. Words that are going to make reading easier for you and much more fun. Just take it slow. You'll get it. You're doing a great job. Have a great day.